Good morning students. Welcome back to our biology class. Students, in this module, let us discuss about different deficiency diseases in our science textbook page number 15 2.4. Our food must contain all the essential nutrients in right quantity. Such food is called balanced diet. Sometimes a certain nutrient is missing from the diet. The lack of the nutrient in the diet over a longer period causes diseases or disorders in our body called as deficiency diseases, are also called as nutritional deficiencies. Let us have a look at some of the common deficiency diseases. Protein and carbohydrate deficiency. Students, our body needs proteins for growth and maintenance. These are the building blocks of the muscles, skin, chemicals in body such as hormones and enzymes, etc. Deficiency of protein leads to stop growth, face swelling, discoloration of hair, different skin diseases and diarrhea. If the diagnosed deficient in protein as well as carbohydrates over a long time, then there is a threat of stopping the growth completely. The person in such case is lean and thin. He becomes so weak that it is even difficult for him to move. Students, mineral deficiency, calcium. Calcium is essential for strong teeth and bones. It is also important for muscle movement and nervous system. Deficiency of calcium causes muscular cramps, abnormal heartbeat, etc. Yes, students, iron. Iron is necessary for making a protein called hemoglobin in red blood cells. Hemoglobin helps in carrying the oxygen from lungs to other parts of the body. Students, deficiency of iron result in lack of hemoglobin and therefore lack of red blood cells. Students, it causes poor absorption of oxygen which leads to suffocation. Poor performance in work of school which leads to disease called anemia. Yes, students, look at the screen. The images which I have posted. Iodine is needed for making thyroid hormone, which helps to carry out chemical processes in the body and keeps cells healthy. Deficiency of iodine causes poor growth and development of body. Especially, it leads to mental retardation in children. It causes deficiency diseases called goiter, in which thyroid gland present in the neck swells abnormally. Yes, students, all of you observe vitamin deficiency diseases. Yes, students, vitamin A deficiency causes poor vision. It makes us night blindness or even complete blindness. Yes, students, deficiency of vitamin D causes poor absorption of calcium and so bones become soft and weak. The disease is called rickets. Yes, students, the other vitamin deficiency disease is B1 causes beriberi. This disease causes weak muscle, very little energy to work. Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy, is disease in which there is a bleeding from gums. Inability of body to heal the wounds in time, which causes loss of blood and other diseases. Students, there is another disease. Please observe on the screen. Students, have you observed on the screen? Do you think he was right? No, of course not. It can be very harmful for us to eat too much of fat-rich foods, and we may end up suffering from a condition called obesity. It leads to heart attack and other some deficiency diseases. Thank you for watching video.